Mama, that's a breakfast. Itong tuna. That's a sweet. Wait. Oh, later. Sweet yan. Ay, magiging kanin. It's toast. What are yan? Bread. What kind of bread? Okay. Ayan ang breakfast ng mother. Wait lang. You can toast yan, ha? Ito nga, okay. Wait lang. Sumang tayo. Ayan ang breakfast. Good morning. Wait. What's that? Ang dami, oh. Okay, what you like? Kumakain breakfast. Ayan si mother. Breakfast. Yan. Ayan. Alright. Kuha muna ko yung kids. Aba doon, marami pa.